Hi Celine, good morning. See, I already carry all the things to our small home house here. And since yesterday I tried to put them in order, but still not good yet arranged here and there. But I will continue working to make them well arranged. See, quite a lot of things I bring, Celine. Because we human being need a lot of things to survive. I bring cooking apparatus, cooking tools, gas stove, and I bring food. I bring mattress, lazy chair, and many other things. I bring power bank, few of them. I bring fishing chair, cam, lamp using kerosene, candle, and many more other things. Slowly, I'm gonna build our home here, Celine. See, bring quite a numbers of clothes. Okay.